So this is my Riot V2, which was kindly gifted to me by Martin. I was a bit scared of flying line of sight, so I've stuck a HD0 camera and VTX on the top. Had a little incident with one of the flights where I hit a post over there. There's some posts over there, there, post over there. But it seems pretty resilient to crashes because it's crashed, what, 3 times now, Brendan?
4.
4 times, and the fifth flight was success?
Yes.
Right, and then we had a successful flight, which I'll conclude in the video. But yeah, quite happy. Riot V2, thank you very much, Martin. My first experience with a plane that actually takes off and lands. Well, it went up in the air. Oh.
Try number 2. Stop.
Yeah, that went off to one side.
Yes. 3rd try.
That's recording.
Wait!
Oh, the prop just came off.
And the plane appears to have survived.
Well, that was actually much more stable until the prop flew off. Good.
Try number 5.
It's supposed to be a trainer, it's not supposed to be really quick. That's actually flying nicely. I have no clue how I'm going to land.
Can you come a bit lower?
Really?
Please.
I'm quite pleased that I'm flying at the moment at all. Shit me, it's slow.
Yeah.
I'm like almost hovering there.
I'm trying to get it so then you can see both it and the ground.
Oh my god, the rudder actually does something. It works, Brendan.
Yep.
That's an upturn almost entirely on rudder.
Wow.
The rudder actually does something. Coming down lower.
Yep, that's perfect.
Right, I'm going to try landing because... Or shall I fly for a bit more? No, I'm going to fly for a bit more. Since it actually works. I have. I just did a practice approach, but although I was a bit high. Let's throttle up a bit. Well, why am I going right? I want to go left. That was me turning the wrong way. Hey, what's he doing? He's doing weird shit. Or am I stalling, do you think?
Yes, you're tilting up quite a lot every single time you're doing
Right,
anything.
okay, that's what's happening. It's stalling. Right, I'll leave the throttle
You're
alone
looking
then.
straight up. Well, no, maybe not, but...
Right, I was going low throttle and you just can't do that. Because it stalls. Well, I'm going about 80 at the moment. 80%. Not speed, I've got no flight control, I have no idea how fast I'm going. I'm going to try and come down low.
Right, where is he?
If for no other reason, the video was starting to jip there. Right, let's see if we can... I'm going to try and bring it in now. Wow, oh my god, the rudder really does something. I'm not used to that. The rudder really does something. Oh my lord!
Wow!
That was fucking amazing!
That was quite the stable landing.
Wow, that was a nice takeoff. Oh, where am I going? Oh God, I didn't go very far at all. I thought it was miles away. It's weird that I can turn. I'm just not used to be able to turn so well on the bloody rudder. It actually turns really fast as well. How's it looking? You're right in front of me all the time. I have no idea whether I'm recording. I probably am. My OSD hasn't come on my goggles, so I can't see what it says. Wow. This fly's lovely. Oh, I'm all the way over here. Sorry. Turn it left. I'm going to try and go down. Turn it to the left. With just rudder, which I'm just not used to being able to do. That is so strange. In fact, I'm having to do it's like doing a trippy spin. I'm doing a reverse coordinated turn to keep myself level. It's weird. Yeah, it's very, very, very sensitive on the sticks. I mean, I'm like nudging them tiny amounts. So I'm turning to the right, as you can see, just round and round and round. And that's... This flight, the takeoff was amazing. You were on the phone. But it is flying beautifully. It's got a real sensitive... It's really sensitive on the ticks. It's hardly taking any movement at all. Well, yeah, I'd have to change. Yeah, I'd have to do it through Edge TX, obviously. Yes, that's true. It's making a horrible noise, that quad, Brendan. It is flying. Whoa! Sorry. It's weird because... Oh! Oh, no, I think the battery might have run out, actually. I think I might have killed the battery. But luckily, it just went down gently.